Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I made a bit of a breakthrough. I've mostly been picking pin tumblers, well 99.9% on my channel has just been picking pin tumbler locks, and I wanted to expand into dimple locks. So I received these for Father's Day last year and by my lovely missus. They're not too bad. I did try using them at the start and watch some reviews, and the thing I don't like about them is the finish, and they also contain a lot of like sprung tension. So when you're under a pin, you try to twist it and it sort of torques up on you, and then it just lets go all at once, leading to an overset. I've contacted a few pickers and they recommend the Honest Dongshi set, which does need modification, but I'm willing to do that because I do have some dimple locks that I really want to get into. So this was lying around in my drawer. I took it out over the weekend and sort of been practicing all weekend on this little Euro here. This is an an A&B Dimple. It's a 7-pin, double-sided, and there's your key bitting. So as you can see, hopefully, so you got some lows down the front, high on 3, got some 3 more sort of. Well, that was a real low one there. On 4, then 5, 6, and then 7's a full lift. I think it's a 7-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got 7 of these things on top, so I'm presuming. So over the weekend I was practicing and got a couple of opens actually, and I was gonna try to replicate that today because I was quite proud of it actually. My first dimple lock picked. Alright, so I got my flags all set out. So for this one I found was the, I have this like left curved flag. I don't know if you call it a left, like it goes to the left, the cutout bit. I don't know, left flag. Yes, this is the curvy one. So I found that works best in this lock. This camera angle is not going to show me picking it very well because I'm covering everything. I sort of need the camera on the opposite side. But just put these other picks away and just try to get in there. So, righty, so I'm just using very light tension. There's a whole bunch of tensioners in there too, like there's a gazillion tensioners in there. But I suppose for certain locks you would need them. Alright, so very light tension. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm doing is just sweeping it flat under the pins until I hit a binder. And I've just got one there, I think. Careful set, so I'm going to keep going. Okay. And basically I'll do that and just rinse and repeat, just go through the stack. Okay, 3, feels like it's binding now. Oh, had some things drop, and I think I set that one. 2. That's got on camera shy on me. Okay. Let's start that again. I think I was using a little bit too much tension there. A little bit too eager for an open. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's one there. Leave him alone for now. 1-3, which is the high lift, but I can't seem. Maybe I'm using the wrong flag for this. Okay, just touched 2 and got a bit of movement. Okay, my pick is stuck. There we go. I think I just touched 1 and got a bit more movement as I was pulling the pick out. That's 3 sort of set. 2, 3. Okay, I've got to click there. Felt a little bit more movement there. Okay, something's holding me up. Okay, it's going to reset and start again. Sorry about this, guys, but first sort of little accomplishment on the dimple front. 3, 4, 2. Okay, just touched 5 and got some more movement. 7 down the back. Okay, now the front ones are binding, I can tell. I can't pull my pick out properly. Okay. Right, so 1, something was binding at the front here. 2. Okay, got some more movement there, I think. Check these front pins because I was stuck on something. Okay, I think I just set 2. Another click there. Okay, I'm stuck on. Pick out again. There we go. Just hit 1 and got an open. I'm not going to over rotate it because then the pins will drop from the Bible into that little part there. I have got a pinning shoe on order, so I'm not going to gut this today. Pretty sure it's just got standard pins in there. But yeah, that was my first dimple pick on camera. So yeah, I guess I'm proud of that moment. Just want to share it with you guys. So yeah, so that works now. Awesome. So I do have some other dimple picks that I'm planning on picking in the future as I practice more and more. I've got this Caesar here, which I received from I think it was Gordon W. I can't remember now who it was from actually. Yeah, I think it was from Gordon W. This little Caesar here. And I tried picking this one. This has got security pins in it because I kept getting false sets and I cannot pick this one. I've also got this little, it's an HQ lock. It's a knockoff of an interactive. So it's a knockoff of a multi-lock interactive with the interactive component there. So yeah, that'll be a long ways away. I've got this Magnum Superior, which is absolutely crazy. It's got 7 pins, which are sort of in a V shape. So you got 4 on one side and 3 on the other side like that. Plus you got these sliders on the side here. So maybe another year for that one. We've got this one here. It's a little kick. This is an actual authentic multi-lock. This is an interactive. It's got the interactive part on the first pin where the knockoff one had it on the second pin. See the pinning on that one. So that one, yeah, this one's a pin and pin. So might need to modify the picks a little bit to get to the pin and pin. And I've also got this cutaway here, which is really, really cool. So this is a multi-pick, I think it's classic, multi-pick, multi-lock classic, which is also a pin and pin. So I can actually see what's going on when I try to pick it. So this one's going to come in real handy to get those pin and pin ones. So yeah, anyway guys, that's all I have for you today. Yes, got my first dimple lock done. Can't believe it. That's awesome. Yeah, it's so different than picking a pin tumbler. Very, 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 very surprised how different it actually is. I mean, it works on the same sort of system, but yeah, the lifts are very minute, and yeah, it's just another level of picking for me. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.